Hello guys, you use smartphone Infinix HOT 20i, this version 4GB RAM and 64GB internal memory. Okay, look completion, device in the blue color, and completion we have protected back cover, adapter for charging and micro USB cable. This is all in completion. Okay, triple camera on the back side and fingerprint scanner. On the front side, display 6.5 inch. On this side, power key, power button and volume buttons. On this side, slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Downside types micro USB port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Turn on device. Okay, device load. We have HD display IPS resolution, look settings. About phone, we have XOS launcher 10.6.0 version and Android 12. Okay, look Geekbench 5. We have CPU MediaTek MT 6762 octa-core processor and GPU PowerVR. Look results, single core score and multi-core score. And GPU test results look. Okay, low results. And look into the benchmark score. Okay, close this. Now look, GTA San Andreas. How does the game work on the device on the max graphic level? And game works on the medium graphic level very good. Okay, close this, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.